In recent weeks, the internet has exploded with shocking headlines. Elon Musk's $11,537 Tesla Model 2 finally hits the market. Thousands of videos, millions of views, and endless excitement, people around the world started to believe that the era of affordable Tesla cars had finally arrived. But behind this viral storm lies a different story, one that very few have taken the time to uncover. Because in the digital age, the line between truth and illusion has never been thinner. For years, Elon Musk has been on a mission not just to build cars, but to transform the way humanity moves, lives, and thinks. From electric vehicles to rockets that can land themselves, from reusable spacecraft to AI-driven robots, every step he takes pushes the limits of what we believe is possible. And yet, when people heard that Tesla was releasing a new car, a Model 2, for just $11,537, the world went crazy. It sounded too good to be true. And as it turns out, it was. Let's go back to where it all began. A few years ago, Musk confirmed that Tesla was working on an affordable EV, one that could be sold around $25,000. That was the dream, a fully electric car for the masses, powered by Tesla's next-generation battery technology. But fast forward to today, and what do we see? Fake YouTube videos, AI-generated images, and fabricated leaks showing a futuristic Tesla for less than the cost of a motorcycle. No official announcement. No press conference. No prototype reveal. And yet, millions of people believed it. Why? Because in today's world, a good story spreads faster than the truth. Let's look at what's actually happening. According to reliable reports from Reuters and other trusted sources, Tesla has not launched any new Model 2. In fact, the company temporarily paused plans for a cheap entry-level car. Instead, Tesla is now focusing on something even more ambitious, a fully self-driving robotaxi, a vehicle that could drive itself without a steering wheel or pedals. Imagine a car that picks you up when you need it, earns you money while you sleep, and reduces accidents to almost zero. That's Elon Musk's real vision, not just an affordable car, but an intelligent one. Not a rumor. A revolution. But here's the deeper message behind this story, and it's about more than just Tesla. We live in a time where information is power, and misinformation is profit. People don't share truth, they share excitement. They click what shocks them. They believe what entertains them. And when you repeat a lie often enough, the world starts to treat it as truth. That's exactly what happened with the so-called $11,537 Tesla. It's a story born out of viral thumbnails, not real innovation. Still, one thing remains undeniable: Elon Musk is obsessed with changing the world. Whether it's through Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, or the Boring Company, he isn't playing small. His projects are not just about technology, they're about impact. He doesn't chase trends, he creates them. And that's why even fake stories about him spread like wildfire, because people know he's capable of doing things no one else dares to try. So, even if there's no $11,537 Tesla today, there's still something bigger in motion, a future where electric vehicles are cheaper, faster, and smarter than ever before. That day is coming. Maybe not now, but soon. Think about this: every great innovation in history began as a crazy dream. The idea of flying once seemed impossible until the Wright brothers did it. The thought of reusing rockets seemed insane until Musk made it real. So, yes, there's no Model 2 at $11,537 yet. But the idea of a world where everyone can afford clean energy? That dream still lives, and Tesla is leading the way. So, the next time you see another video claiming it's finally here, take a deep breath. Look beyond the title. Because truth doesn't shout, it whispers. And in that quiet space beyond the noise, reality always wins. Elon Musk hasn't launched the cheapest Tesla ever. He's building the future that will make all cars cheaper, all cities smarter, and all transportation cleaner. This isn't the end of the Tesla dream. It's just the beginning of something far greater.